Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Instinct tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a custom step goal on your Garmin Instinct. So this means no longer using the automatic step goal that is created by your Garmin Instinct. We'll be going in and setting our own. So to do it, you need to go into your Garmin IQ app on your phone, and then in the top left, select the three bars. Then scroll down until you see Garmin devices. Once in here, we're going to select the Instinct, and then we're going to go to activity tracking. Once we're in activity tracking, you're going to find the daily steps. We're going to select that. And as you can see, it has auto goal and it's toggled on. We're just going to toggle that off. And then in the text box below, we'll type out how many steps we want our goal to be every day. So I'm going to do 10,000 and then I'm going to save it. And then as you can see, the daily steps have changed to 10,000. Now all you need to do is manually sync with your watch so that it updates on your watch by going back and then hitting the little refresh button at the top right, this little circle. Select that so it starts spinning, and then it will be manually syncing with your watch and updating the step goal on your watch so you'll be able to see it there. And just as a quick example, I now have 10,000 on my Garmin Instinct. That's how you set a custom step goal on your Garmin Instinct. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Instinct tutorials, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.